the underlined word is this. This is my smartphone. Ano po yung function ni this? A, demonstrative pronoun. B, demonstrative adjective. C, intensive pronoun. D, relative pronoun. Ano po itong this na ito? Ano pong role niya dito sa sentence? Correct answer for the question number 5. Tamang sagot? Letter A, letter D. Correct answer po natin is letter A. This is what we call demonstrative pronoun. Kapag po kasi, ito po kasi yung ano sa grammar, tricky. We don't just have to memorize words kapag grammar. Kapag grammar, it's really all about knowing the rules and the function of the word. Hindi po yung enough yung nagme-memorize tayo ng word na pag sinabi nating pronoun, ay pag sinabi mong this pronoun na yan agad, di ba? Marami, depende yan sa function niya sa pangungusap. Okay, so bakit po letter A ito? Okay, so let's differentiate the following concepts. Pag sinabi kasi nating demonstrative pronoun, di ba? Pronoun. Ano ba ang pronoun? You are substituting a noun. You are replacing a noun. So, ibig sabihin po, kapag demonstrative pronoun, dapat walang noun pagkatapos nito. Demonstrative adjective naman, it's an adjective, di ba? Adjective, you are modifying a noun. Adjective that can be used to specifically describe the position of someone or something. This book, ang tinutukoy natin ay yung mismong book. Tatandaan, kapag demonstrative pronoun, it can stand alone. Kapag demonstrative adjective, it describes a noun. So, ang tingin lagi sa adjective or sa pronoun.